4-pack leaf design faucet extender, sink handle extender, by Leorin is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Material: the manufacturer's leaf design tub faucet extender is made from long-lasting soft, durable plastic, non-toxic materials, BPA, PVC and phthalate-free, which won't crack, fade or warp from enthusiastic usage. The package comes in different cute colors. This fun colorful shape makes your child love hand washing. Adapt to all shape, the sink extender is easy to remove for cleaning and dishwasher safe. Designed to fit on most conventional bathroom faucets, compatible with most faucets of all shapes and sizes. The perfect size is very convenient to carry, so take it with you. Easy for kids, the spout extender, as kids' bathroom accessories, bring water closer to kids to make hand washing easier. And with kid faucet extension, now the water stream from the faucet is reachable to toddlers without having to stand up on a stool, which is dangerous. Improved habits: with the faucet handle extender you can build your toddler's independence, competence, confidence and responsibility. And the unique lovely design makes hand washing time fun for your kids. Risk-free guaranteed, your purchase is fully protected when you order today. If you are not satisfied with your sink faucet extender, contact them at any time. The manufacturer will get you back within 24 hours. Try the manufacturer's best to make things right.